This VTube laser video demonstrates the split bend feature for handling bends that approach and exceed 180 degrees. The sample part we will measure is a standard HVAC part with two 180 degree bends. The project has been set up so that VTube Laser anticipates split bends at straights 2 and 6. When ready for split bend, VTube Laser gives a unique sound to indicate that the outer part of the bend torus should be scanned. In this demo, the stripe count is set to 100, so the number of laser points collected is in the thousands. This ensures that enough sample data is collected for an accurate split bend calculation. Another unique sound indicates to measure the inside of the bend. When there is enough information collected, the split bend intersection points are calculated.